Australian wood duck is a medium-sized goose-like duck that has a dark brown head, pale grey body, and two black stripes that runs along the back of its body. Males have a darker head and a small dark mane. Females have a pale head and two white stripes, one above the eye and one below. The Australian wood duck is widely spread throughout Australia. This includes Tasmania. They are found in grassland, open woodland, wetland, flood pastures, and along the coast. The Australian wood duck mainly consumes grass, clovers, and other herbs, and will occasionally consume insects. Australian wood ducks are monogamous. They nest in tree hollows, above or near water. Usually the female would nest and the male would stand guard. Both parents take on the responsibility of feeding their young, and the young remains with them for up to a month after developing flight feathers. Breeding season is between September and November. Clutch size is approximately 8 to 11 eggs. Incubation period is approximately 28 days and nesting period is approximately 57 days.